Hello, welcome back. So today I have another DIY with you guys. Let me show you what I want to do. I want to paint these. Now they're a little dirty. They've been by my fireplace is usually where they sit. Now we made these together. I have two of them. I love making these fake lanterns, however you want to describe them. But I want to paint them white. I'm not sure if I want to use the chalkboard white or the Art Time paint. First thing I'm going to do though is I have to clean them. So you guys, I'll be back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Grandma GAINZ. You might know me as Tracy. This is Bohippianlife. I am a reselling grandma on multiple platforms. If you're interested in that portion of my channel, I leave links in the description box of all my videos. But this one is a $1 DIY. Decorate on $1. The lanterns I showed you previously are all Dollar Tree items that I used. There's a sign, so I used 2 signs. I'll link my video in the description box, in one of the description box. Oh my gosh, in one of the corners at the end of this video. So I'm going to paint those white, but I'm also, while I'm at it, I'm going to take the time to paint this white too. I believe last year I might have used this in an Easter DIY. I want to do it again, so I want to paint it white this year. Along with my lanterns I want to use for Easter, painting them white. So think outside the box, you guys. All right, let's get a better angle. Don't forget, if you like this type of content, I hope you give my video a thumbs up. Let's get a better angle. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use the chalkboard paint. I'm definitely not using black. I can always make my mind up, change it later. So here's some paintbrushes. I get my paintbrushes from the Dollar Tree as well, or wherever I can find them. If I find them out in the wild, I'm snagging them. So I think this one here should work just fine. And we're going to start bottom up. Making sure there's no fuzzies. I can get rid of this one for right now. Oh, this will work great. Now, if you have to put a couple coats on it, go ahead. Like I said, think outside the box. If you don't want to do it white, maybe you want a pink one, purple one, gold. Maybe you want to paint it white with some gold embellishments. This is going to take a couple of coats. So yeah, I'm just gonna paint away, you guys. Whoops, you can't even see. Here we go. Covering it all. And truthfully, I'm not even concerned if the black shows through. At this moment, we'll see. It'll be more kind of a distressed look. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to take time, get these all painted, and I'll be back and show you what they look like when I'm done. I'll be back. You guys, don't forget to do underneath. I did not do that on either one of these. But when I set them at certain heights, you can see underneath it. So yeah, tip, you might want to paint those. That's what I'm going to do right now. Ooh. And my assistant is awake. All right, you guys, I'll be back. Okay, so here's one coat on the first one. I'm going to let it dry. And I'm going to work on the second one. But I wanted you guys to see the difference. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. I should have painted it white to begin with. And I think I'm going to find a little bling of some sort to hot glue on the tip. Yeah, like a, what do you call them? A finial? Almost like a finial, I think. Let me know if I said that right. You guys, I'll be back. Okay, so I have lost footage of the rest of me finishing these up. So, retake. I've finished painting all three of them. Let me scoot you guys back even farther. There, I'll do the best I can. So, this is going to be in another DIY. Again, I'm going to decorate it, use it for Easter. But I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm super, super happy with the way these have turned out. Whoops. Huh. Let me see if I can move this butterfly. There we go. All right. And here is the finished product, finished project. I love it white. Where's the best way to, over here. So I have these, you may have seen these. I have mentioned the Amazon boxes we get once in a while. This was in one of the 5 boxes we had gotten. And I had gotten a whole bunch of this purple rose garland. Like 5 or 6 bundles of it. And all I've done is threaded it through the top of the lantern and wrapped it around one of the poles. And I'm going to come total opposite and wrap this side as well. You guys, I truly, truly love these being white. I'm so glad. And the excess garland, I just put her on the bottom. So I only have the 2. I love that look. So I've started over here. This is the other one. So when they're side by side, you can tell that they're not exactly the same. This one's a little wider. And this one, I had difficulties finding the same little wall plaques. But anyway, it's perfect. It's perfect. I've already threaded it through and wrapped one side. And I'm going to finish this side. So, I know I say it all the time. Think outside the box. Now, they're so inexpensive to make that you could really do multiples. So I may do black. But thinking outside the box, if you are doing an Easter color theme, so you have girls and you're tired of doing the same old, like I had mentioned earlier with the dinosaurs, you could do pink, their favorite color, yellow. You could paint these yellow, or pink. If you're doing a boy, you know, if you have boys, and you're an Easter theme, there's so much you can do. And thinking outside the box. Let me get a better view here. These are perfect for bridal showers, weddings. Color theme them. You could do whatever you want. Let me get you a better view. Not the best, but you can see. All right. I was totally not quite sure what I wanted to do. I wanted to put an Easter bunny in it, or an Easter egg, a larger one. But I decided to put a candle stand in it. With a pillar candle. These are battery operated. I love, love, love the look. Doing the same with this one. There we go. So when I put them on the mantle, they're going to be, I want to make sure the pillars are not next to each other. You know, the roses are opposite. Anyways, next one. Oops, it's falling apart. So again, they're not perfect. You can see some of the black shining through in some spots, but I really like it. It kind of gives it a distressed look without trying, an aged look. So yeah, let me put them in the fireplace. So this is what I've decided to do with them so far. It's not perfect. I'm not done. I have a few more things to put up there and add to it. But now generally I would have them down in front of the fireplace. Down here. But this year I'm doing something different. And figured I'd put them up here. Here we go. But yeah, I truly love them. I am so happy that I painted them white. They stick out a lot more. Now, I loved them black, and I used them all the time in all my DIYs for decorating the fireplace. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with them white. And let me know what you think. Again, I have more to do, and I have more DIYs. You guys, if you like this type of content, please give my video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. I would love to have you in the family. Share. You never know who you know would be interested in this type of content as well. Decorating on $1. All of these are Dollar Tree DIYs. Every single one of them. The one down here, right there, that is too. And the one we're going to be doing for over there is going to be is a $1 DIY too. Decorate on $1. My friends, I hope you have the best day ever. And thank you so much for hitting play every single time I upload a video. You guys truly are the best. Again, I hope you have the best day ever. And I'll see you in the next video.